You make $70,000 a year. That puts you in the top 40% of earners in America. So why does your bank account look like you make $30,000? Why are you one emergency away from using a credit card? In the next 11 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why high earners are going broke and the 5 moves that fix it permanently. Let's go! Welcome to Daily Money Mindset. If you're tired of making decent money but still feeling broke, you're in the right place. We break down real strategies 3 times a week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video where we're covering the money skills schools never taught you. Here's the dirty secret nobody talks about. Income and wealth are not the same thing. You can make $100,000 a year and be broke. You can make $50,000 and be wealthy. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. According to recent data, household debt in the U.S. just hit $18.8 trillion. Delinquencies are at the highest level since 2009. And here's the kicker. It's not just low-income earners struggling. People making $70,000, $80,000, even 6 figures are buried in debt, living paycheck to paycheck with zero savings. Why? Because lifestyle inflation is a silent killer. You get a raise, you upgrade your apartment. You get a promotion, you finance a nicer car. You make more money, you spend more money. Your income goes up, but your net worth stays flat, or worse, goes negative because you're financing the lifestyle with debt. This is the trap. And if you don't fix it now, 10 years from now you'll make twice as much and still be broke. Problem number 1, lifestyle inflation. Every time you get a raise, your expenses rise to match it. It's automatic, it's invisible, and it's why you never get ahead. Here's how it happens. You're making $50,000, living in a $900 apartment, driving a paid-off car, eating out twice a week. You get promoted to $60,000. Suddenly, that apartment feels too small. You move to a $1,200 place. You lease a car for $300 a month because you deserve it. You eat out 4 times a week because you can afford it now. You just got a $10,000 raise. Your expenses went up $7,000. Your actual financial improvement? $3,000 a year, or $250 a month. Meanwhile, you feel richer, so you're not saving the $250. You're spending it on subscriptions, clothes, travel. Net result? You make more money and you're exactly as broke as before. The fix. Every raise you get, 50% goes to future you. Half to retirement, savings, or debt payoff. The other half you can spend. This way you still feel the raise, but you're also building wealth. You're breaking the cycle. Problem number 2, subscription creep. This one's invisible. You signed up for Netflix, Spotify, a gym you don't use, a meal kit service, an app here, a software there. Each one is $10, $15, $20 a month. No big deal, right? Wrong. The average American spends over $200 a month on subscriptions. That's $2,400 a year, leaving your account automatically every month, whether you use it or not. Do a subscription audit. Go through your bank statement right now. Cancel everything you haven't used in the last 30 days. That $2,000 a year, invested at 7%, becomes over $100,000 in 30 years. Retirement money you're throwing away on apps you forgot you had. Problem number 3, no system for your money. Most people spend first and save whatever's left. Nothing is ever left. Fix this by paying yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, money moves automatically to retirement, emergency fund, investments. Then you live on what's left. No negotiating with yourself. It's automatic. This is how regular income earners build real wealth. Problem number 4, debt that's costing you more than it's making you. If you're carrying a credit card balance at 22% interest, that debt is destroying you. Attack it aggressively. Use the avalanche method. Pay minimums on everything. Throw every extra dollar at the highest rate debt first. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next one. When the debt is gone, that payment becomes your wealth-building payment. Problem number 5, no investments outside your job. Your paycheck is not a wealth strategy, it's an income strategy. If your only financial asset is your salary, you are one layoff away from disaster. Real wealth comes from assets that work while you sleep. Index funds, real estate, a side business. Even $200 a month into a low-cost index fund, starting today, becomes over $400,000 in 30 years. The math isn't complicated. The behavior is the hard part. Here's the recap. 5 reasons high earners stay broke. Lifestyle inflation, subscription creep, no money system, high interest debt, no investments. Fix these 5 and it doesn't matter what you make. You will build wealth. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more and go fix your